video. Talk. See. See.
You come up.
See. When you're this, you go to talk about.
No, leave it like that.
See water leaf. This bush.
Not too dark and now me no break.
See water leaf. No, come. Guys,
Water
come and
leaf,
see
water leaf.
Guys, come and see water leaf. This is farm. All these things is flower. Tell me why water leaf will come grow for here.
For inside
if you
flower.
want water leaf, we
Come
have.
on.
We have. Cut and leaf, not too long.
You don't finish?
Of last year, come spread here. Now I carry this one, come and see the seed. This one are the seed too. Then this one, I pluck them like this. I will break them like this. They see, I go replant them. Now it be this one where they see. You understand now?
You think I'm this one?
This one
Pawpaw.
na pawpaw.
Almost see pawpaw. Pawpaw don't come Italy. See pawpaw in Italy.
Pawpaw and water leaf.
This one is water leaf.
Ciao. Show them here. See water leaf for Italy. Fresh one.
No.
This one scent leaf. Go show them the scent leaf.
This one is Italian scent leaf, basilico. This one is Nigerian scent leaf. This one is grass now.
That one na grass.